Hello, this is Kevin Heiser with IT Martini, and I'm here in Cleveland, Ohio for IT Martini Hour 18 with Andrew Anderson from LaunchBrain. How are you doing?
I'm doing great, Kevin. Nice to be here.
Excellent. Tell us a little bit about LaunchBrain. What is LaunchBrain exactly?
Well, LaunchBrain was put together so that to solve the issue of people having an online presence, and mostly startups and brick-and-mortar companies and medium-sized companies. Everyone runs into the hurdle of having to hire a programmer and a designer and get all the different components to work. And we kept on running into this in our consulting business, and we decided to provide a solution for it. So 22,000 man-hours later, we came up with LaunchBrain. And what it does is it allows a business to put a website up that can rival a Fortune 500 company website in a matter of 1 or 2 days at a cost of less than $100.
Wow, it sounds like a very powerful tool. Now, as I listen to what you're telling me, and it sounds a little bit like a website builder, what differentiates itself from a lot of the other things that are on the web now to help people build websites?
Well, it's based on WordPress, which, as you know, is the largest CMS out there, content management system, and it's dead easy. It's open source. The back end of it is open sourced. And what we do is we take the power of WordPress, and then we put all the different components together. It has an autoresponder on there, which you need to keep in contact via email. It has a complete e-commerce setup. It has an affiliate management program if you're there. It also has a membership program, as well as media deliverability and also social media deliverability. So it's all in one bundle, and if you can check your email, you can put this together. And it's not one of the free website builders out there. It's completely SEO compliant, it's W3 compliant, and at the end of the day, we can create, we also build websites too. We can do with LaunchBrain in 1 day what normally would take us 3 weeks. So.
Wow, excellent. It sounds like a very powerful tool, and it sounds like even something like WordPress, a lot of non-technical users have a hard time using it, right, installing add-ins and all these things to do different functionality. It sounds like just the functionality you mentioned, it's very powerful. It sounds like it's very easy to use. So how do you actually sell this product to somebody who is looking to build a website?
Well, they just go to launchbrain.com. We're getting ready to come out in private beta right now. And we've got 2 different, it's a monthly service. It includes hosting and everything that they need, so they don't have to go and worry about compatibility issues. And it starts at $30 for the light version, $97 a month for the larger version, and then $199 for our enterprise version. And basically, it's robust enough to handle 500,000 or a million hits a month. You can have an unlimited amount of items in your e-commerce web store, no limitations on your autoresponders or any of the other things that you normally run into. You know, you have to go out and go to iContact or Aweber to get those things, and as you mentioned, even with WordPress, the plugins and all the other things, there's incompatibility issues. We've taken care of that. Everything works seamlessly, so the only thing they have to do is put their content in there, put their information and the products or services they want to sell, and they're done.
And you mentioned that the product's in beta and that you're doing a private beta. What types of companies are using that, as far as what types of maybe services, products that you may be able to share with us?
Right now, we've got everything from a fairly large-scale magazine that's nationally known to quite a few entrepreneurs that are just starting out that have digital products and also physical products, and it's being used here and also in Europe as well. So we've got a broad range of customer base.
Yeah, it sounds like if you're all over the globe with your private beta, that's an excellent thing. Probably get different feedback and different viewpoints from different people of different cultures.
Exactly, and it just helps us improve the product that much better. Because when you go on the web, you can't just stay local. I mean, it gives you access to billions of potential customers, and a lot of people don't think that. It's a jump for some of the businesses that are just getting started or have had issues before.
Excellent. Now, tonight we've got about 500 to 600 attendees here that are going to be here. Not yet, but are going to be here. Everybody's going to get the chance to vote a little bit for one of the 8 startups that are going to be here. What would you want them to remember about your organization and LaunchBrain when they go to the voting ballot box as to why to select you over somebody else?
Well, I guess in the fact that our end goal is to help businesses become successful. And we encapsulate everything that they need to do, no matter what product or service they have to offer, on the web. And as Bill Gates said, if you're not on the web, you're really not in business anymore. The other things they have to worry about, they may have a website, but is it compatible with the iPads and the iPhones, which a lot of the websites aren't these days. And we made sure that we take care of all the technical issues, so the only thing that they have to do is sell their product or service.
Well, it sounds like an incredibly flexible product, yet at the same time very easy to use. And I'm looking forward to see how you guys do.
Well, great.
Thank you very much.
Appreciate it.